To start working in Kentucky Cooja Simulator, you need to have two softwares. The first one is VMware Workstation, and the second one is Instant Kentucky 2.7. The second one is actually a VMware virtual machine, which is available on the Kentucky website. This is the URL of the Instant Kentucky virtual machine. If you click download this virtual machine, you can use it in your workstation. After using this Instant Kentucky 2.7, you simply need to power on this virtual machine. It's very easy. Now coming over to creating your first simulation, you will go to simulation, file, new simulation. Here you will give name of your simulation. For example, it's first sim. You can click create. Now this simulation is created. Now it has different panels. One is network, then is simulation control, nodes, mode output, and timeline. Now after creating the simulation, you will need to create modes. This mode means simply the remote nodes. It is shortly called mode, which means remote node. First of all, you will click modes, add mode, and then create new mode. We will use sky mode. It is one of the simple method to create modes. In this example, we will use two types of modes. One is the sync mode. For example, I give it the name sync. Sync means it will receive the data. Now I will attach C code to this mode. For example, I use this these sample programs are available in this folder, IP version 6 RPL collect, and then for example I use this UDP sync C. These are sample sync C code. UDP sync C, open. Now this C code is attached with my mode. First I will click compile. Now the mode is compiled. Now I will click create. I can add number of nodes. Since in this example I need only one sync mode, add mode. The mode is created. Now I will add some more modes. Mode, add mode, create mode type, sky mode. Now if I click in the description, if I say these are my send modes, then I will attach the C code with my modes. Again, the code is available in this folder RPL collect, and then UDB sender.c. okay, open, then click compile. Usually there are some warnings, but it works okay. Then click create. Now here in this example I have say 5 sender modes. I click add modes. Now these 5 modes are available. My first mode was, here is the first mode, which was sync, and the others are the sender modes. In the view, I can change, I have different options. For example, if I click mode type, now you see the sender modes are yellow and the receiver mode is 1. I can change the mode location as I desire. I have different options in the view drop down list. For example, there is an option radio environment. Now this shows that this 4 is out of range of this 3. I can bring it to this one. Now circle shows the range of this highlighted mode. If I click 3, now this green circle shows the range of this node 3. If I click 1, now this green circle shows the range of this mode 1. Okay, then there are other options like 10-meter background, so it's okay. Now I start my simulation. Here different traffic will come up. If I click view and click the option radio traffic, it will show some messages being passed between the nodes. So this is how I create the simple simulation. If I pause and see different options here, now if I maximize this, now this ID 2 means this is node number 2's messages. ID 4 means mode number 4. Now my first simulation is saved. Now if I want to delete that simulation, I will go to terminal. Now we know that Kentucky operating system is based on Ubuntu, which is Linux distribution. Now all those commands that work in Linux also work here in Ubuntu. Now since I am working in this user directory, and if I want to see the files and folders in this directory, I will simply click ls command. It will show the folders and files in this directory. Here I can see the simulation file that I created with the name first sim. If I simply use the rm command, which is used to remove a file or delete a file, then I will write rm first sim dot csc. Now that file which I have just created has been removed. If I want to see the status of files and folder, now I will write the ls command. You can see that this file sim.csc is not available. This is how you can delete a simulation file in Kentucky Cooja Simulator. Thank you.